जब हम पुराणों की बात करते हैं, जब हम अपने होली ग्रंथ की बात करते हैं, क्या उसमें कोई किसी स्टोरी के माध्यम से क्या हम कुछ कामा सूत्र से रिलेटेड कुछ जान पाते हैं? क्या कोई ऐसा रेफरेंस या कॉन्टेक्स्ट मिलता है हमें?
किस चीज़ के बारे
अबाउट एनी एंशिएंट टाइम्स में, अबाउट पीपल गेटिंग फिजिकल, अबाउट हैविंग अ रिलेशनशिप विद ईच अदर, क्या ये हमारे एंशिएंट टेक्स्ट में कहीं हमें इसका रेफरेंस मिलता है?
They're all full of them. Okay. Every Apsara and every Rishi, I mean, you can find a million stories.
Okay.
कोई कमी नहीं है इन कहानियों की. But एक हम जो बात कर रहे थे, we were talking about the story of Ahalya. अब अहल्या की story is a very classic example for me. अहल्या is very beautiful. इंद्रा को उससे बहुत इश्क है. He's kind of lusting after her. She keeps saying no. And then finally he disguises himself. So he disguises himself as Gautam, as the husband, and he has sex with her. Now, we are told in the story somewhere that at some point she realizes that it is not her husband during the time. But at that point, her pleasure is really high and she doesn't stop it. They continue. Right towards the end, the husband arrives back. Indra immediately turns himself into a cat and jumps out the window and disappears. She is left to face the music. Gautam curses her. And she says, like, you can see, actually it's Vishwamitra who comes and tells Gautam. He says, कि इसने कुछ नहीं किया, तुम इसके क्यों श्राप दे रहे हो? And he says, नहीं. She let it continue. So there's an ego involved over there. Anyway, he turns her into a stone, as we know, and we are told, and as she's being turned into a stone, she says to him, कि I just hope that at some point, you people who are so, vidwan, कि तुम्हें कभी realize हो कि हम जैसे इतने विद्वान और इतने strong भी नहीं हैं. We are also just ordinary human beings, so don't punish us like this. Now, turning somebody into stone meant that they become voiceless. They're thrown out of society. And the idea is that when Lord Ram comes, कि उनके राज्य में ऐसी equality होगी सबकी, that people will not be judged for something like this, that she will be brought back into society. But the story finishes there. I mean, if you read the Ramayana, you'll know कि इसके आगे कुछ नहीं. Like, there is no denouement to the story. The story there खत्म हो जाती है. Skand Puran में, there is a story of Kamdev, who is on a journey somewhere, and one day he's sitting by a lake, and there is this very beautiful young girl bathing. एक तो very Mandakini style, in those days they didn't bathe naked, और थोड़ा सा सफेद मलमल का कपड़ा ओढ़ के नहा रही है. So he is really besotted. So he goes to her at the end. Now she is very young, very beautiful, and she's married to a बूढ़ा सा ऋषि. और बूढ़े से ऋषि मुनि के साथ ये बड़ी हुई है फॉरेस्ट में, and typically she's been married off to him. So he goes and he starts to flirt with her. And he says, look, you're so beautiful, I'm so handsome, we should get together. Now, this girl knows that जो ये कह रहे हैं, she shouldn't be listening. I mean, she knows somewhere intrinsically, but she's never heard anybody say such nice things to her. And they sound good. He's saying really nice things. He's flirting, he's complimenting her. So she's listening to him. And it's described कि वो खड़ी हुई है, she's got her head bent and she's smiling. And she's listening. Eventually the husband finds them like this. Kamdev flirt कर रहा है, ये सुन रही है. And he decides to curse her. In this case, Kamdev doesn't run away. He argues with the husband. He says कि तुम इसको क्यों कुछ कह रहे हो? इसने कुछ नहीं किया. He says नहीं, उसने सुना तुम्हारी बात. He says हाँ, पर हमारे शास्त्रों में लिखा है कि 3 तरह के पाप होते हैं, meaning sin. Not Chandrasekhar ji is this thing. It says one of the mind, one of the words, one of the actions. Or each of them, there is a way of making up for it. So she can make up for it. What is the problem? इसने सुना ही तो है. Anyway, they argue. He turns her into stone. He says, I'm not interested. So as she's turned into stone, she's called Khandashila, the broken stone, क्योंकि वो अपना सिर झुकाकर खड़ी हुई है. Which I think is really sad. But anyway. But I love the way the story finishes. क्योंकि जब she's turned into stone, the earth accepts her. And so from being made voiceless, from being thrown out, she now becomes part of Mother Earth's energy. And together, they become the kund, where people can come to ask forgiveness if they have done something like this, if they've stepped out of line.
Mm.
And I love that. That there was an understanding that, okay, some things are not all right, but there is a redemption. Now, people are going to turn around and say, oh, so you're justifying cheating. No, I'm not justifying cheating. I'm just saying that there are levels to what you end up doing or why. And she's listening to it because it says that she's grown up in the forest with this old rishi, with other elderly rishis. इसने कभी इतने मीठे शब्द सुने ही नहीं है. She's so excited. She's a young woman.
Right.
Some things are part of our psyche. They're part of us. We have to be taught.
Right. But do you think लाइफ में कभी कभी लेंसेज ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हम सही और गलत का आई डोंट नो उसमें भी सिचुएशन में हम चाहकर भी नहीं देख पाते. Do you think like that?
Absolutely. It's always about perspective. It's always about the lens, about circumstances. It's always. There's no hard and fast rule कि ये ऐसे हुआ तो ये ऐसे है. अब आप महाभारत पढ़ें तो a lot of the things that the Pandavas do, which we in anybody else would say ये गलत है, लेकिन उनकी reasons हैं ये करने को. And so we say, okay, but they did it for a reason. Actually, again, Vyas says in his introduction, he says कि तुम जब महाभारत पढ़ो, I want you to read it like this. पहली बार पढ़ोगे, you'll say, I understand the difference between right and wrong. So then you read it again, where you say, अच्छा, maybe it is not about right and wrong. Maybe there is no such thing as right and wrong. So it's all about perspective.
In the context कि शायद उन्होंने ये किया ही इसलिए ताकि ये हुआ हो, राइट? तो वो गलत है ही नहीं क्योंकि वो होना था, जिसको हम एक स्पिरिचुअल लेंस में बोलते थे भगवान की लीला है.
बिल्कुल. I mean, we explain it away like that, but it is about free will and conscious thought.
Yes, sure.
So, yes, ये मैंने किया क्योंकि मुझे ये रिजल्ट चाहिए था, क्योंकि ये हुआ, and then I needed this. So we all do it from our perspective, thinking कि हम ठीक ही कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये इस this one of the things I will say, that I say this all the time. Everybody gets attracted to somebody else at some point. ये this idea कि मैं इससे प्यार करता हूँ या इससे प्यार करती हूँ तो मुझे कभी attraction नहीं होगा. Attraction होता है. It's human nature. What you do with it is what matters. When that happens, don't find excuses to do something. Find reasons not to. Find your balance. This is where your own brain comes in. You have to learn to. But, this is the problem. I am now 63. I've learned all this. Meri zindagi khatam ho gayi. I've learned all this. I wish we taught this to children. Relationships. Teach them in school.
So important. So important.
So important. And that, men particularly are taught that trying to rebuild your libido or your excitement is no such thing. जब इधर ये boredom sets in, जहाँ पर भी और किसी को देखा, you get immediately excited. That's chemistry. That's excitement. No. That's not just chemistry or excitement. There are other things that lead to chemistry and excitement. It's like this thing of getting dressed. For the longest time, aap dekhiye in the fashion magazines, you see a certain visual for sexy. The little black number. That's all you see. Now, whether I want to wear that little black number or not, in my head, if I want to look sexy, that's what I think I have to be dressed as.
Yes.
If they gave us 5 options, they said, okay, it could be baggy jeans and a loose white shirt, very sexy. You want to wear a cotton sari, very sexy. You want to wear a little black number, very sexy. What suits your brain?
Yeah, 100%.
To me, I don't like the little black numbers, but I used to wear them as a younger person. I did. I love my saris. I feel so good. But I had to discover it for myself कि ये sexy हो सकता है. मैं खुश हूँ इसमें.
What is my sexy?
My sexy is exactly.
Yeah, sure.
But for a long time, you fitted in with somebody else's sexy.